Elastic Lab. Beyond the collagen, experience the #1 Elastin Care Elastic Lab. Skin elasticity is the symbol of youthful skin and start decline from 20s. Elastin, the core of skin elasticity, is the second important protein in the body that enriches your skin and other tissues with youthful flexibility. Despite a critical role in our body, Elastin Care is not enough yet. We developed the innovative Elastin Care product. Introducing our #1 Elastin Care, the Elastin Booster that revitalizes and maintains the elasticity of your skin. Elastic Lab, your ultimate source for elastin boost, contains hyaluronic acid, amino acids, and mineral to restore and enhance the elastin and collagen levels in your skin. The platform technology is the patented formula induce elastin and collagen simultaneously through the whole biosynthesis procedure. Our patented formula induce elastin and collagen both in gene and protein level. Beside Elastic Lab activate the cross-linking enzyme between elastin and collagen. Our patented formula induce elastin by 300% and collagen by 200%. We publish this amazing data and register the patent with this data. Elastic Lab induce biosynthesis of elastin and collagen in fibroblast with positive biofeedback mechanism. And also active the lysyl oxidase, which is the key enzyme to cross-link between elastin and collagen into the fiber. So Elastic Lab reconstruct the extracellular matrix. Elastic Lab also proved the efficacy through the human test. Elastic Lab is increased the skin elasticity by 23.4% and also increased the skin thickness, skin density, and skin moisture level. We published this data to SCI Journal. Skin elasticity is no visible factor. Elastic Lab improve the fine wrinkles and also have lifting effect. Our special formula works wonders on all areas of your skin, face, neck, décolletage, hands, arms, inner thighs, knees, and the under eye area. Besides, Elastic Lab decrease the skin redness, pore size, and improve skin tone with elastin and collagen inducing effect. Our Elastic Lab standard protocol requires 3-5 treatments every 1-2 weeks in one session, repeated every 6 months for optimal results. We also research and develop the innovative scalp care product with elastin inducing formula. Elastic Lab H is an exclusive hair booster, formulated with hyaluronic acid, amino acids, and mineral to stimulate the biosynthesis of elastin and collagen in your scalp. Experience the rejuvenating power of our products, designed to restore your hair and scalp dermal layer. Hair loss caused by so many reasons: genetic factors, hormonal dysfunction, inflammation, malnutrition, stress. All this reason cause the loss of scalp extracellular matrix protein. This caused the follicle size reduction and loss of hair anchoring. Elastic Lab H is your solution to hair loss. Elastic Lab H is formulated based on the elastin inducing formula and also containing the special amino acid for your scalp and hair health. Elastic Lab H have a dual effect for your scalp and hair. This product induce elastin and collagen to hold hair follicle more tight in scalp dermal layer. And special nutritional amino acid stimulate the hair growth. Our Elastic Lab H protocol requires 5 treatments every 1-2 weeks in one session, repeated every 6 months for optimal results. Experience the transformative power of our products as they work to revitalize and rejuvenate your scalp and hair. Elastic Lab H works on all types of hair loss, be it male pattern, female pattern, or hair loss due to malnutrition or stress. Our products are designed to work from the inside out, stimulating the body's natural processes to improve your skin and hair health. We believe in the power of nature and science, combining the two to create products that enhance your natural youthfulness and beauty. The one and only Elastin Care for your youth skin and hair. Experience the innovative Elastin Care. Elastic Lab, fantastic life.